Hello, I am Helena Pereira and President of the Board of Directors of FCT, Fundação para a Ciência e a Tecnologia, the Portuguese public funding agency for research and innovation. FCT is guided by the principles of scientific rigor and transparency, which are applied in all the competitive funding procedures we launch. These are essential in our role as the Portuguese public funding agency for research and innovation, ensuring the trust of our national scientific community. Openness to the plurality of scientific activities and appreciation of collaborative practices and interdisciplinary approaches are also key in our mission. FCT also has a strong commitment with society and societal impacts of knowledge, with attention to provide fast and innovative funding responses to new or unexpected challenges. The pandemic situation is a close example. Our main policy priorities go to the overall consolidation of the national research and innovation system and targeting 4 key issues and approaches. The strategic structuring of research units as keystones of the scientific ecosystem, the promotion of research careers and valorization of scientific employment, a co-responsibility approach between funding agency and research and innovation performance, and also a philosophy of diversity within the research and innovation system and the fostering of collaborative interactions. Pillars to the activity of FCT are 2 cross-cutting activities: the continuous improvement of the funding calls and of the evaluation processes by which scientific quality are duly recognized and bias avoided, and ensuring predictability and regularity of the funding opportunities in the main funding programs. Targeted activities to pursue a positive research culture are, for instance, several initiatives to promote scientific employment with dedicated calls to fund research contracts in parallel with the enforcement of a very strict regulation against scholarships, now mostly restricted to PhD scholarships. Engagement of the scientific community with a bottom-up approach to define research agendas in various fields. Adoption of an open science policy with adhesion to Coalition Plan S linked to an information approach to the scientific community and the development of tools to help implement the various aspects involved, such as transformative agreements with publishers, making the national open access repository infrastructure, and enforce the adoption of data management planning. Also, promotion of scientific awareness and scientific culture through a dedicated national agency, Ciência Viva, and promoting interaction of the research and innovation system, namely by organizing an annual meeting with the scientific community. Of course, the importance of knowledge sharing and the exchange of good practices with similar institutions must be also highlighted. The European research area needs systemic conditions of attractive and sustainable careers and working conditions, with freedom of research and access to infrastructures, fair rewarding and assessment system, mobilizing the new generations of researchers, also guaranteeing the mobility of young researchers across countries and sectors are main priorities. Research funding organizations such as FCT should focus on creating or participating in the creation of such mechanisms and programs that facilitated scientific employment in its various dimensions and sectors, as well as on fostering social valorization that will facilitate the absorption of highly qualified young people into the general labour market. I would like to conclude by congratulating Science Europe on its 10th anniversary, together with the beginning of the new strategic plan, which is central to continue pursuing the goals that unite us. Congratulations.